Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can save your videos in CapCut PC. So it's exporting a tutorial. Alright, if you don't know how you can save your project in CapCut PC, after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click export button right here, top right corner, and just um, change for the title of your project and select folder you want to place your videos, and you can adjust for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. And you can also export the audio. Alright, just click export and just wait for exporting. And you can click open folder to open your project. Cheers. Alright, that's how you can save your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.